This is Karthik from IR College, ITA section. My roll number is 230. Today on concept video, my topic is cloud and pour points of lubricants. Let us discuss about this cloud and pour points of lubricants briefly in further slides. So let us go into our topic first. So let us see the slides. Here first, knowing about this cloud and pour points. First let us know about the lubricants. A lubricant is a substance that helps us to reduce friction between surfaces in mutual contact, which ultimately reduces the heat generated when the surface moves. Yeah, we know this lubricants before. Lubricants is used to reduce friction between surfaces. It may also have the function of transmitting forces, transporting foreign materials, or heating or cooling the surfaces. Common examples of internal lubricants include fatty alcohols, esters, and avafaks and fatty avafaks. External lubricants provide release and help reduce process temperature. Let us see more. Here the applications of lubricants. Lubricants can be used as an anti-wear, antioxidants, and anti-foaming agents, as demulsifying and emulsifying agents, as rust and corrosion inhibitors, in machinery as engine oils, compressor oils, and gear oils and piston oils, as hydraulic brake and gearbox fluids, used in the slope and paint industries. So these are the applications of lubricants. It is used as an antiwear and antioxidants and anti-foaming agents, as demulsifying and emulsifying agents, and as a rust and corrosion inhibitors, and in machinery as engine oils, compressor oils, and gear oils and position oils, as a hydraulic and brake and gearbox fluids used in the soap and paint industries. We all know about the lubricants, so let us see some more information. Here is our topic, cloud point and pour point. Let us know about this cloud point first. The cloud point is the temperature at which wax crystals begin to appear in a liquid. The cloud point is typically higher than the pour point. When dealing with the lubricating oils, the cloud point is the temperature reading at which components that tend to solidify starting separating from the oil and begin crystallizing. Yeah, here they are saying that the cloud point is typically higher than the pour point, and the cloud point is the temperature at which wax crystals begin to appear in a liquid. That is called a cloud point. When dealing with the lubricating oils, the cloud point is a temperature reading at which components that tend to solidify start separating from the oil and begin crystallizing. Okay, let us see some more. And here the pour point. In lubrication, pour point. The pour point, or the temperature at which a lubricant ceases to flow, is important in appraising flow properties at low temperature. As such, it can become the determining factor in selecting one lubricant from among a group with otherwise identical properties. Okay, let us see about this. The pour point, or the temperature at which lubricant ceases to flow, in is important in appraising flow properties at low temperature. So this is about the pour point. Let us see their applications and some more. Cloud point and pour point. Cloud point is the more significant for fuel oils than lubricating oils. Pour point is important for the lubricants used in low temperature. If the high pour point of lubricant is used at low temperature, then it would freeze, jamming the machine parts. The fluid film mechanism of lubrication will also fail. So this is about the cloud point and pour point, which we are used to say that. Let us see some diagrams about this cloud point and pour point briefly. Okay, let us see that. Here is the diagram of a pour point. It has some apparatus called thermometer and cork and a jacket, test jar, fill level, gasket, cooling bath, disc, coolant level, and here are the some readings where that should be kept. And this is about the pour point, the diagram of pour point. And let us see some more. Let us see an example of a cloud point. An everyday example of cloud point can be seen in olive oil stored in cold weather. Olive oil begins to solidify at around 4 degrees, whereas winter temperatures in temperature countries can be often be colder than 0 degrees. In this condition, olive oil begins to develop white waxy clumps of solidified oil that sink to the bottom to the container of the container. Uh, and more is in crude or heavy oils, cloud point is synonymous with wax appearance temperature, that is WAT, and wax precipitation temperature, that is WPT. This is some information about the cloud point, and this is the diagram of the pour point. So let us see the image of this cloud point and a pour point machine. Here it is a machine. So this is about the cloud point and pour point of the lubricants and their applications and their examples. So this is about the cloud and pour point. Thank you. Thanks.